Yo, what's up guys? Welcome to the howto 2 and 3 official YouTube channel, and this is our first video coming out, and what a better way to start our first video to launch this YouTube channel with a Jordan 1. And here today we're going to talk about the Jordan 1 Lost and Found. I gotta tell you, these shoes right here are dope, and it's gonna get harder and harder to get these shoes later in the future. So let's talk about the quality of this Jordan 1. So the quality on this Jordan, right off the back, you could see the cracked leather on the collar and also too on the mid toes and somewhat on the side panel right here. The thing about this shoe that I really like is actually very stiff leather. I think it's really good just because it's going to make the sneaker last longer, and also to the back part as well. Now let's talk about the wearability. Is this shoe something that you could wear daily? Honestly, yes, this shoe you could wear daily. I think it goes with a lot of outfits. Yes, it's mostly a red shoe with some black in it, but I don't know, I think red is something that's extremely wearable. And let's talk about if I personally like this shoe. I completely love this shoe. Cannot talk more good things about this shoe just because I could go on and on. But really, this shoe is going to be one of those shoes that's going to be up there with the Bread Jordan 1 of 2016, the Chicago of 2015, also maybe even the Shattered Backboards. I think it's going to be one of those shoes that people are going to look for later in the future. When it comes to the hype about this shoe, since day one, these were hyped up even before, just because everybody was talking about how easy this shoe was going to be to get because Nike was supposed to ban a lot of botters, but obviously we saw that didn't really happen. And now let's talk about resale value. I think after the holidays and all these retailers that currently are holding some of these pairs, once all of those are released, I think that's when we'll see this shoe rise up in value, just because nobody else is going to have pairs anymore. So it's really going to be out in the market, and I think that's when this shoe is going to rise up. And we have a special treat just because we also have some GS pairs in hand. Let me give you the best review I could possibly give about the GS pairs. When it comes to this pair alone on quality, I am so happy that Jordan did not cheap out. These are pretty much identical when it comes to the men's quality as well as the GS quality. Quality on both pairs are really good. Like I was talking about earlier, the stiffness of the leather of the red parts of this shoe, it's stiff too. You know what I mean? It's stiff, except the front part, it's kind of loose, but it is what it is. Right now, this shoe is really low on resale value. So ladies, or even like if you want to get your kids that are younger, get them this shoe right now. With all that being said, thank you for sticking around. If you guys stayed until the end of the video, thank you so much. Give us a like, subscribe to the channel, and let us know down below in the comments what shoe you guys want us to see, what shoe you guys want to see in this channel. Thank you so much. I'll see you guys on the next one. Peace out.